Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make up to 3 million naira with OwoDaily, then also stand a chance to win a brand new car. Now this is not going to be easy, so I'm not going to try and sweet talk you, alright? But if you have the stomach for it, then this is something you can totally pull off yourself. Alright, so if this is something you feel you can do, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end, and if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. Then most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how you can make up to 3 million naira and also stand a chance to win a brand new car with OwoDaily. Now before we go ahead and talk about that, let's talk about what the platform is all about. So OwoDaily is basically a digital marketplace that connects buyers and sellers of services together. So take for example, if you want to buy services on the platform, all you simply need to do is just create an account, deposit money, then place the job you want to do on the platform, and users on the platform is going to do the job for you. So in return, users that do the job, they are going to get paid for what they do. And if you are interested in selling services, that is selling your time to perform tasks on the platform, you could also create an account, and once jobs are listed on the platform, you can do the jobs and make small money on each task you are able to complete. So for example, now these are the kind of job you'll be doing on the platform. So for every ones like this, you get to make 15 naira for this kind of job. So this one here says follow my Twitter handle. So for this, you're going to make 10 naira. And for the registration for this one says Goku market registration, register plus KYC verification. So for this, you're going to make 150 naira. So like I said, now the money is actually small, but if this is something you feel you can do, so why not? You can just go for it. All right, so basically for you to get started with OwoDaily, it comes in 3 packages. So the first one is the membership plan. Okay, so the membership plan is going to cost you 3,000 naira, and this is the basic one. So the next one is the OwoDaily Plus, and for you to be a OwoDaily Plus member, you're going to pay 10,000 naira. Why the third one is the seller package, which is 15,000 naira. So the seller package allows you to sell your products on the platform. So take for example, you have a digital product or a physical product you want to sell on the platform, you can list it on the OwoDaily Marketplace, then leverage on OwoDaily traffic to sell the product. Plus, there'll also be the chance for other people to promote the product for you, then earn a commission from every sale they are able to generate for you on the platform. Alright, so this is basically what the seller account is all about. All right, so how can you actually make money with this platform? So the first way you can make money from this platform is by doing the jobs, but the pay for the jobs is actually small. I'm not going to lie about that. All right, so and the jobs on the platform is also limited. So I feel probably because the platform is a new platform, so that is why the jobs are limited. So I think they are working on how to list more jobs on the platform. So probably in the nearest future, they're going to have more jobs listed on the platform. All right, so the first way is by completing the jobs on the platform, and the second way is by referring others to the platform. So for every person you refer to the platform that pays 3,000 naira, OwoDaily is going to pay you 1,600 naira. All right, so this is basically how you can make money on the platform. So back to the focal point on how you can make up to 3 million naira and also stand a chance to win a brand new car with the platform. So for you to be able to do this, all you simply need to do is refer people to the platform. Okay, so and the people you're going to be referring is going to be member for the OwoDaily Plus. So as you can see here, it says invite members to earn 1,600 naira bonus and also complete OwoDaily Plus milestone to win a car. So for you to win a car, before you can actually achieve the milestone, you must have make up to 3 million naira. So what this means is that you get to make up to 3 million naira, then also stand a chance to win a car. So if you complete the milestone, you're also going to win a car, then also going to get 3 million naira in the process. So if you've created an account, you're going to see your track record here. So currently, I think in my own track record, I have only referred 2 people so far to the OwoDaily Plus. All right, so this is something I'm working towards. So like I said, it's not for everybody, but if you feel you can do it, then there's no stopping you. You can just go ahead and pull it off for yourself. So if you can refer OwoDaily Plus member and they are up to 1,000 in total, you're going to make 30 million naira, then also win a brand new car from the platform. Then one other thing you should know about the platform is for daily jobs you are doing on the platform, before you can withdraw your money, you need to make up to 5,000 naira, and they process payment every Friday. So currently I think I've made around 48,000 naira on the platform. Then I'm working towards the milestone, which is winning a brand new car, then also make up to 3 million naira on the platform. So like I said, it's not for everybody, but if you feel you can pull it off, all right, so there's no stopping you. All right, so that's just that about OwoDaily and how you can make money with the platform. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.